Want to make the perfect, soft and fluffy idlis at home? Let's unlock the secrets to this classic South Indian breakfast. Perfectly paired with sambar and coconut chutney, there's nothing more comfort than soft, fluffy, homemade idlis. Today, let's make them completely from scratch with simple ingredients. Wash 3 cups of idli rice separately. Wash 1 cup of whole urad dal and add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Soak both for 4 to 6 hours until they become soft. Grind the urad dal into a light and fluffy batter using just enough water. Grind the rice slightly coarse. Mix both together until smooth and airy. Add salt, mix gently, cover the bowl and let the batter ferment overnight, or for 8 to 12 hours until it doubles in volume. Lightly grease the idli molds. Gently stir the fermented batter and fill each mold about 3/4 full. Steam the idlis on medium heat for 10 to 12 minutes. Let them rest for 2 minutes before removing them from the molds. Soft, fluffy, homemade idlis are ready. Serve them hot with coconut chutney, piping hot sambar, and podi mixed with ghee.